Welcome back, fellow crypto warriors. In today's video, there is some devastating and sad news hitting us all, as it is announced that one of the most known cryptocurrency exchange, Bybit, is going to suspend their services in the UK region as the new FCA rules does not apply to them. We will be delving deep into this issue and the solution for all the users in this video. Announced on their website, starting October 1st, new users from UK region will not be able to register and create a new account as they will be suspending users from UK, and on October 8th, new deposits, new contracts, and modifications to positions for current user in the UK will also be suspended. It is also stated by them that any UK users that are currently having open positions on futures market needed to close their position before January 8, 2024. Users' open positions will be liquidated after the deadline, and the liquidation money will be available for withdrawal. To conclude it all, more exchange is suspending their services in UK region due to rules. It was Binance and now Bybit is also halting from the UK, but there is always hope and light for users, as fear no more. I will be giving you solution to migrate to one of the best exchange. Can you guess which one? I prefer for any crypto users to use Bitget, one of the most secure and versatile exchange to date, with lot of trading volumes flowing into the exchange. So why Bitget? The primary reason correlate with today's news, it is still running their services in the UK. Since 2018, they have built an exchange committed to helping users trade smarter by providing a secure, one-stop crypto investment solution. So using Bitget is top-notch choice in my opinion. Now that I have recommended you to use Bitget, how do you specifically use the exchange? Here is things that you needed to do. Register or sign into Bitget by accessing their website. After that, you can look to top left and deposit by clicking by crypto section and choose which one you desire. And then after depositing you can freely trade on Bitget by choosing spot trade or future trade. You can also check on other Bitget products that offer you exciting opportunities to earn more money from crypto market. That is all. Bitget is a really good option to replace the exchange that closed their services for UK users. Not only that, Bitget has so many events and offers in store for all users including UK users to get more and more bonuses and trade happily. In conclusion, Bitget is a right choice to go. That is all for today. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's conquer the crypto world together. Remember, trade smart, trade strong, and trade safe with Bitget.